Alright, so this is the next frame. So I'm seeing some brood here. I'm going to use this. There's some eggs right there. Well, I say eggs, I mean larvae. You can see the larva, it's not been capped yet. So let's make sure the queen is not right here. Alright, I don't see the queen. So I'm going to slide this in here and use this as a frame. And find another. See this larva right here? Okay, I don't see any red spots on it. That's good. You see a red spot on it, it can be possibly a varroa mite, most likely. Let's see what we got here. Alright, more brood. There's more drone down there. That's okay though. There's brood in here. Make sure there's places for a queen to lay. Make sure the queen is not on here. I don't see her. So I'm going to take this and put it right here. Alright. Take some of this trash here. I don't have to clean it all off, but I mean it's I'm going to slide that in the middle. And more bees will pay attention to it. Let's look at this one right here. I feel like there's a lot of nectar in this. A little bit of drone brood there. There's nectar here. So I'm going to slide that right here. I'm going to grab a queen